Introduction to ArmorMan Bush Ranger Tray Canopy Setup, combo 1500 on aluminium or steel tray. The Bush Rangers, they follow the shape of the vehicle. That's the outlet for the fuel line. That's the place for the stainless steel water tank. There's a stainless steel water tank in it already. Mud guards. 1 meter long toolbox. Comes with decoration plate, the Bush Ranger, the model name on the top, and it's a very easy and budget friendly way to match the color if a customer doesn't want to spend money on painting the canopy. Can just match the color of this decoration plate with the vehicle, or the same way we do on our Trademaster trailers. These canopies, all of them are jack-off canopies, double whale tail locks on all of them. Very well structured from inside. Very good structure, and almost leveled floor. The roof also reinforced with stainless steel hinges, and the reinforcement on the side galving doors. They click very nice, so you don't see any hinges on the top. No hinges, they're just on the top there, and there is no many lines. It's just a tray and the canopy. We have our ladder rack. It's a bolt-on ladder rack, bolts to the tray with a cutout for a light bar, and the wheel carrier, aluminium wheel carrier, and 1.2 meter draw as well. This tray can take 1.2 meter draw. This design, we have different design trays, but this one specifically comes in aluminium and steel. Can take designed to take 1.2 meter draw, 60 liter fuel tank, stainless steel, and 60 liter water tank. Of course, you can have the folding ladder. And the lockable jerry can holder. Good to have a look at our panoramic interior roof of the rooftop tent. It's a beautiful setup. Sits very nice on this Hilux, and the customer is super happy with what he got, with the budget he spent on this vehicle.